Welcome back to Dolphinzz Kitchen. On today's menu, we have a Ghanaian and Nigerian dish called, in Ghana, we call it Egusi stew. But in Nigeria, they call it Egusi soup. Anyway, here are the ingredients. Right, we have here, which I've steamed already because it takes a while. We have our goat meat, our intestine, and our cut foot. We have here the egusi. This is a pumpkin seeds in powder. We have here a little bit of our frozen spinach, a kind of chopped tomatoes, smoked sardines. We have here our salted fish and our blended Scotch bonnet. We have here our fish powder and my Italian seasoning. I've got 2 large onions. I've got ginger and garlic minced here, and I've got my smoked hake fish, and of course my palm oil. Right, let's wash our hands and start cooking. Right guys, we start off by adding our salted fish into our palm oil. We fry it for about 2 minutes, and after the 2 minutes we're gonna add in our minced garlic and ginger, and we fry that one also for about 2 minutes. You don't really want it to burn. Then we put in our onions. Right, we're gonna be frying our onions for about 3 minutes. Right after 3 minutes, we put in our blended chili peppers, and we'll give it a good stir. I love my chilies. Right, it's time to put in our chopped tomatoes. I will stir it in. Right, it's time to add in our flavors. In goes my fish powder and my Italian seasoning. We give it a good stir, and then we add our dried sardines. We let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Right after 5 minutes, we check on our stew. It's looking beautiful. It's time to add in our meat. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Right, it's now time to tackle our egusi, and I'm mixing it with my broth, the beef stock from my meat, and I want it in a paste, in a thick paste. I don't want it runny because I want it to be lumpy in the stew. Right there, our stew is looking beautiful, really nice. We put in our egusi. We put it in gently. Right, we give it a gentle stir by pulling the sides in. I rinse in the pot and put in the water. Just a gentle mix. Right, and we let it simmer for about 10 minutes, but we keep an eye on it. After the 10 minutes, our stew is looking wonderful. And the smell, oh my days. Right, it's time to put in our grilled fish. Look at that. I broke them in pieces. We'll put them in. And we will give it another little stir, gentle one. And we'll leave it again to simmer for 5 minutes. Right, it's time to put in our spinach. And we give it a gentle mix. And we'll let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Because we don't want to overcook the spinach. Right, there we are. After 3 minutes, our stew is looking beautiful. And I'm going to be eating mine with eba gari today. Look at that. Oh my days. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. And I shall see you in my next video.